Linux. I love it. I use it every day, and for many people, it's the perfect operating system. But let's be honest, Linux isn't for everyone. In fact, for a lot of people, using Linux is a terrible idea. The first group of people who should not be using Linux are those who play competitive multiplayer games with kernel-level anti-cheat software. While the Linux gaming scene has made huge progress, and a lot of games now work flawlessly on the platform, popular titles like Valorant and Fortnite simply won't run on Linux. This isn't a flaw with Linux itself. It's a deliberate choice by game developers to not support the platform. If your free time is dedicated to these types of games, switching to Linux will either mean you have to dual boot or, more likely, just not be able to play your favorite games at all. The second group is the creative professional. If your work relies on specialized proprietary software, Linux is probably not for you. The most obvious example is the Adobe Creative Suite. Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and After Effects just aren't fully functional on Linux. While there are open source alternatives like GIMP and Krita, they often lack the features, industry-standard workflows, and file compatibility that professionals need. It's the same story with Microsoft Office. While you have great alternatives, if you're constantly collaborating with people who use Word and Excel, you're likely to run into formatting issues and other compatibility headaches. And finally, let's talk about hardware. For most general hardware, Linux has excellent driver support. But for more specialized or niche gear, it's a different story. Professional audio interfaces are a good example. If you're a musician or a podcaster with an expensive proprietary audio device, there's a good chance it won't work on Linux because the company simply hasn't released a driver for it. You might also run into this with peripherals. Your expensive gaming mouse with all its customizable buttons and RGB lighting might just act like a basic mouse on Linux. That's a lot of money to spend on features you can't even use.